Hey guys, this is indie fishing right here, indie fishing, and I just thought I'd make a channel about fishing. You know why? Because I love fishing. I've always had the dream of making a channel, and yeah. So today we're at my grandma's pond. There's a huge pond over here, but we're fishing this little pond, great for bass, and we're just gonna do a bass fishing. I just have about 10-pound line, 2 weights, hook about that big with fake worms. So let's see what we can catch, and yeah. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Whoa, you just look like I'm having a shot. Today, guys. Pretty nice one. On the shot, can you see him? Okay, up on the shot. Look at this boy. First fish of the day. See, about 2 pounds. And he bit that as soon as it hit the water. Nice looking fish. Look at that mouth. So, gonna let this guy go. First fish bass of the day. Okay, I was reeling it in, and we got myself a good old bass. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Bubba. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, sorry. So, another bass on the day. So this was a little smaller, but I was reeling it in, and he about bit it. So, there we go. Number 2 bass. So there we go, people. That mouth, he's a pound, maybe 2 pounds. So let's release this guy. Oh boy. So there we go. I also really like celebrate all the seasons, because potato season is probably 3, then it goes 1, and then 4, then 2, but they're all good. I have a fish? Oh my, he's massive! Oh, holy gosh! Dudes! Oh, stop flapping. Oh, whoa, brother! Oh, he's all covered in dirt. Ooh, sorry about that, Bubba. This is massive. Oh my god, he's massive. Holy guys. What? Look at that mouth. Oh my, I'm telling you, this is 3-pounder. This thing is huge. Wow, what a catch, boys. What a catch. Yeah, this feels like 3 pounds. Oh, God. Oh, fish on. Oh, just fell off a little dinker. Little dinker. We'll take any fish we can get, boys. Oh, he's so small. He's so small. He isn't that bad of size. Yep, please. Oh, boy. So, little dinker, but take any fish we can get, like a little dinker, but you never know, maybe a pound. So pretty to fish. I mean, though he's just hungry, aren't you, Bubba? So there we go. 4th fish, right? 4th fish. decided to end off the video. Oh, dude, he just clawed me. Chill. Chill. Ooh, there we go. Got the hook out real easy. Nice sized bass though. Looked a lot bigger on the thing, but there we go. Nice length, nice mouth. Look at that. And boom, and boom. So that's gonna end it for today's video. Ooh, it smells bad. There you go. There the fish goes. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. And that was my grandma's pond. And peace. Okay, guys, I was just kidding. That's not gonna be the end of the video. So I went swimming with my cousins, and we were playing this game. Got kind of boring, so I'm ditching my cousins to go fish. So I'll meet you guys over there. Yeah, it's not the end of the video. I have a couple more fish to catch, and that'll be the end. Oh, this thing's massive. I don't know if you saw that, but I had to hand line it in. So that's great. Ooh, decent size too. Oh, little boy, I'm gonna help you. So there we go. This thing's pretty chunky. Pretty chunky fish we got here. I think it's in the shot. Pretty good fish. Yeah, it's massive. Oh, it's bleeding. Put this back. And my pole was definitely some type of bird's nest. I don't know what you call this. So we're just gonna snap the line completely. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, because I didn't want that fish to swallow the hook. So that's why I took it. Yeah, we're definitely cutting this. So, nice fish. Hand line that boy. Yeah, and that kind of sucks that my pole broke. So I'll be right back. Gosh, look at it. Okay, so here's the fish. Yeah, it fell over mid thing. So here we go, boys. Like 7 million bass today. Who knows? 5 million. See if we can get some more. Yep. See that happens. Yeah, you just we got one. Decent size too. Pretty good size on the fish. So guys, that was my first ever fishing video. Tell me if you like it, or what do you want to see, like carp fishing. Just tell me in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.